Okay, this is part 2 velocity controller. Again, I have a 23 frame stepper motor with a velocity controller mounted to the back. The velocity controller is a very simple controller that allows you to just set the speed via a potentiometer, which is located under this green, or next to this green terminal block here. Again, you mount, supply DC voltage here. I have a 24 volt power supply, switching power supply, and I've got my positive and ground. And these terminals here, if I run these to ground, allows me to access the function of these terminals. So what I'm going to do is demo this motor mounted to this Tolomatic actuator. It's a ball screw actuator, and I'm running about maybe 1.5 amps of current at 24 volts, and that's where I'm at. So let's go ahead and try this. Not the best way to be working with electricity, but hopefully I don't shock myself. Okay, there I actually ran the carriage to the end of its stroke, and it hard stopped on that last end. So right now I've got a terminal here. So this green terminal here is actually, I'm running to ground. So it's running to ground here. So I'm going to switch directions by hitting ground. Boom. There's the carriage. Now it's moving back toward us. And if I pull it, it goes high, and then it moves directions. So that's how you can control directions. Very simple velocity controller for, simple applications. Now I'm going to do the high-low, which is the yellow. There's the speed. It's running slow because I've got it grounded. Now if I pull it, it's going to go back to high speed. Okay, and now I'm going to hit the on and off button. There's off. So let's go back the other direction so I don't hard stop into the back. There's direction. Here's high-low. Here's stop. So if you want to do a very simple application, you could put an end of limit here, an end of limit there, like a normally open switch, and then when it hits that end of limit, you can wire that back to stop, and then it'll stop, which is right there. That concludes this demo.